Hello and welcome to this episode of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we are looking at a set of fully trimmed lower crash pad units for the Triumph TR4 and TR4A. These are actually from a TR4A, but they would work in the TR4 as well. The TR5s, TR250s and TR6 models did also have lower crash pads, but they were slightly different because they did not feature this grab handle. The grab handle was only on the TR4s and TR4As and on the passenger side. So as per this book here, you've got the grab handle on the passenger side for a right-hand drive car or the opposite for a left-hand drive car. We obviously have patterns for all of them, so don't worry about that. We offer retrim kits, either in vinyl or in leather, and either featuring the French seam top stitching detail going down the perimeter of it or plain. I must say for the TR4 and TR4As, i.e. the ones with the grab handles, the top stitching is really crucial. The ones without, it makes it really hard to get a neat finish around this grab handle. The other side's not much of an issue, but this side, if you haven't got that stitching detail on it, it really does make it hard to fit them round, because this, the way it's sewn, this really does help position it round the grab handle. So just bear that in mind. Even though we do offer without stitching, you're fighting an uphill battle. You really need heat guns and things like that to be able to get a nice neat finish on those, so just bear that in mind. But yeah, so customer has sent us his original unit, as you can see there underneath with the old moulded foams. We've touched up the unit. I did a previous video showing you that unit. It was in a dire state, so we've used filler and all sorts to try and tidy it all up. And then we've retrimmed it in black vinyl with the top stitching detail. Fairly straightforward process. I did take some photos en route to share with people as and when they do need them. The one without the grab handle is really quite straightforward. The one with the grab handle, a bit trickier, but still quite straightforward in the grand scheme of things. You're obviously making sure that you use a decent contact adhesive, paste on stuff, no sprays. That's one of the main areas that you need to focus on, is making sure the glue works correctly. After that, you'll bear in mind that only certain areas are seen when it's in the car, so you don't really need to worry about these ends here. Same on these back ends here, they all get lost and hidden when it's in the car, so just focus your battle on that seam and the trimming around the grab handle on the passenger side. The rest of it falls into place quite nicely. So yeah, see our website for more details on that. Obviously, if you have any questions about these kits, don't hesitate to ask. More than happy to help, all part of the service. Thank you for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts out there, and be sure to stay tuned for our next episode. Cheers.